Okay, so as we drive down the lane, let me tell you a little bit of history about Odds Farm. So Odds Farm was open to visitors in 1993. That's 29 years ago now, coming up for an anniversary. And the aim of the farm back then was, and still is today, it's a mixture of education, conservation, I'll talk about that later, and just having a good time really. And it's still owned by the same family that opened it in 93. They're called the Vindens. Steve and Jackie Vinden are still very much hands-on. They still help out around the farm, even more so since COVID. So Odds Farm's always been a livestock farm. That means we're just a farm that has animals.